Gandhi Jayanti is one of the most national events of India, celebrated every year on 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great pleasure every year to pay tribute to the father of the nation as well as to remember his values, principles and philosophy. 2nd of October is also celebrated internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence because of being a preacher of non-violence throughout his life. We remember Gandhiji as Bapu, as he was lovingly called so because he was a symbol of peace, non-violence and truth. These were deeply rooted in our culture. Gandhiji experimented them with modern needs of the nation and found them as proper tools. Gandhiji was the man of simple living and high thinking. He was the pioneer of truth and non-violence who started the Satyagraha movement for India's freedom. He worked hard for achieving Swaraj, removing untouchability from society, for abolition of other social evils, improving economic condition of farmers, empowering women's rights and many more. Mahatma Gandhiji played a memorable role in uplifting the untouchables. According to Gandhiji, the practice of untouchability was a leper wound in the whole body of Hindu politics. He even regarded it as the most hateful expression of caste. He made it his life's mission to wipe out untouchability and to uplift the depressed and the downtrodden people. As a servant of mankind, he preached that all human beings are equal. Gandhiji worked not only for the political emancipation of the nation, but for liberation of all the suppressed and the oppressed sections of society. One of the noteworthy results of his life work has been the awakening of women, which made them shed their deep-rooted sense of inferiority and rise to dignity and self-esteem. According to Gandhi, education for women was a need of the time that would ensure their moral development and make them capable of occupying the same platform as that of men. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi started his movement for Khadi as relief program for the poor masses living in India's villages. Spinning and weaving was elevated to an ideology for self-reliance and self-government. The spinning wheel was at one time the symbol of India's poverty and backwardness. Gandhiji turned it into a symbol of self-reliance and non-violence. Khadi enabled him to carry his message of Swadeshi and Swaraj to the people and to establish connection with them. It was for economic, cultural and social reasons and not merely political that Gandhiji established the Khadi movement. Mahatma Gandhi had a revolutionary vision about making India clean. Revolutionary because he was probably the only leader of his time who realized that India's emancipation was possible only through sanitation, not just independence. He did not just write about it, but practiced what he preached. Along with his ideas of Swadeshi and non-violence, Gandhiji had a special mention about his concern for cleanliness. He often addressed people urging them to maintain hygiene, making them aware of the threat of the diseases they were surrounded with in case of dirty streets, water-logged ditches and filthy lavatories. Cleanliness is the symbol of dignity, health and safety. Mahatma Gandhi took cleanliness to the level of spirituality. He had a firm belief in the proverb, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." Mahatma Gandhi's life and principles has inspired lives of all ages, Hence, Gandhi Jayanti is the right occasion to internalize his perpetual and valuable philosophy, and we all must try to follow the principles led by this great Mahatma.